Did you know that if you take an onion, cut it into pieces, and coat it with honey, you can create one of the most effective natural remedies that exist? By combining onion with honey, you create a powerful drink that can help cleanse your lungs, soothe a cough and sore throat, boost your immune system, relieve cold and flu symptoms, and even help with digestive issues. Here's how to make it. First, we'll need an onion. Cut it into pieces. Then add a teaspoon of ginger powder, which will increase the effectiveness of this drink by 2,000%. In a pot, place a cup of water along with the ingredients we've just prepared. Cook over high heat and let it boil for 12 minutes. After boiling, we will strain our mixture. Lastly, add the juice of 1 lemon and 3 teaspoons of honey. Honey is a vital ingredient in this recipe due to its antibacterial, soothing, and immune-boosting properties, making it a powerful ally in relieving cold and flu symptoms. How to drink it. Drink a hot cup of this beverage every morning for at least 7 days. This will help clear mucus from your lungs, eliminate your cough and sore throat, leave you feeling revitalized. If you like this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thanks for your support.